Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer Aspire 3 laptop keyboard light not working. If the keyboard backlight on your Acer Aspire 3 laptop isn't working, try these troubleshooting steps to fix the problem. Check for backlight feature. Not every Acer Aspire 3 model includes a backlight keyboard. To determine if your model has this feature, look at the product specifications on Acer's official website or refer to your user manual. Toggle the backlight. For models that do have a backlight keyboard, you can usually turn the backlight on or off by pressing the function key along with the function key that has a backlight icon, commonly F8 or F9. For instance, press function plus F8 at the same time. Check BIOS settings. Sometimes you can manage the keyboard backlight settings through the BIOS. To access the BIOS, restart your laptop and repeatedly press the F2 key as it starts up. Once you are in the BIOS menu, search for the keyboard backlight settings. Make sure the backlight is enabled and adjust to your liking. Save any changes and exit the BIOS. Perform a power reset. A power reset can help resolve hardware glitches, turn off your laptop, and disconnect all external devices. If your laptop has a removable battery, remove it. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds to discharge residual power. Reconnect the battery if removed and power on the laptop. Update or reinstall keyboard driver. Outdated or corrupted driver can cause hardware malfunction. Right click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard section, right click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If no update are found, you can also try uninstalling the driver and restarting your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver upon reboot. Reset the internal battery. Some users have found success by resetting the internal battery. Shut down your laptop. Locate the battery reset pinhole on the bottom of the laptop, usually marked with a battery icon. Insert a paperclip into the pinhole and hold it for about 15 seconds. Release, then power on the laptop after a few minutes. Check for software conflicts. Make sure that no software is interfering with the keyboard backlight settings. Certain applications or system configurations might turn off the backlight. Take a look at any recently installed software or system update that could impact keyboard performance. Inspect for hardware issues. If the previous steps don't fix the problem, there could be a hardware issue. The backlight connector may need to be reseated on the motherboard. This process requires opening the laptop casing, which can be tricky. If you are not comfortable with this, it's best to seek help from a professional. If after trying these steps the keyboard backlight still isn't functioning, you may need to reach out to ACE support or visit a certified technician for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.